1 Charlie X-ray Tango. Cool, you got your ID?
I ain't got my ID. I'm just trying to get a toothbrush, bro.
You got your ID, buddy? You can record.
Come on.
You can record. I don't think you want to smoke right here on paper. Exactly. So relax. Give me your ID.
Toothbrush.
All right, just relax. Give me your ID.
I don't have my
I know your name. Give me your ID. Your ID. Your ID. You don't got ID? You know your social and stuff? Any weapons in the car?
There's no weapon, sir. I promise, bro.
Show.
I just get a toothbrush and just go to sleep. Go back to sleep.
Okay. When I figure everything out, you'll be on your way, bro.
That's it, bro.
I'm not trying to cause you any more issues.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you, sir.
Just wait for my backup. I'll check you guys out. If you're good, you're good.
Yeah, all right.
What's your first name? Damon? Okay.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
Yeah, bro. Oh, cool.
Corn Brown 6. You got a 94 coming? Go for it.
You need us to step it up?
No, I just had a lot of background. I wasn't sure if the transmissions went through. You got any bud in the car? You're smoking in here? You don't smoke weed at all? Or was somebody smoking in your car?
I was smoking my black light last night.
Okay.
That's it.
It smells like weed.
I don't smoke weed. That's
Okay.
what I got.
There's no packs, nothing in the car?
I ain't nothing. You search me.
Fine. Why'd you pull in here? You just came from a gas station. You're
So
just on 14th
They ain't have no toothbrush. I know that van told you that it saw me. I'm saying,
What van?
I saw a blue van, and it was up by the lights. But
No,
I'm like, I ain't got nothing.
you got a blacked out car. Is this car registered to you?
Okay. This is my mom's car.
Okay.
I'm trying to get a toothbrush from the store. If you go to that store, you see they don't have no toothbrush.
I saw your boy helped out. He went inside the store. Somebody stayed in the handicap.
But I'm like, you know what?
You don't got a handicap.
I'm like,
I could have taken you there, but I didn't want to.
I feel you, sir.
So I waited.
I'm like, you know, I ain't got nothing to worry about. I can jump out. Even though I'm me and people like probably feel like, you know what, we want to be on them. I'm like, I ain't got nothing to worry about. I'm gonna stop over here and get a toothbrush. I'm like, I don't feel I have no reason around guns. Nothing. I'm just trying to get a toothbrush. Go back. That's it, sir.
All right. I believe you. I'm gonna help you out. As soon as my partner comes, I'll help you out. If I don't want to write no tickets, no nothing.
Thank you.
I'll help you out. Just relax.
I'm finna go later on.
You gotta ride around with your license. I don't know why you don't got your license. That's a no-no. And then you got no license. You don't got ID on you either.
That's my look out.
You don't carry ID.
Okay, 751 for Bravo 4. 10 right?
4 Bravo 6. And just let my 94 know I'm in the Exxon parking lot. Where you stay out here? What city? From Broward?
I'm back in the hotel like I got my
What if you have a Florida ID or is it another?
I got a Florida.
Florida is your main residence?
Yep.
Is it in Broward or Miami?
Broward.
The address on the license gonna be correct?
Yeah, this my mom though. My baby mom from Chicago down here with me and stuff like that. We about to go to Boomers later on with my kids and stuff
Okay.
like that.
I'm just trying to figure out your ID.
All right.
I'm just waiting for this guy to come so I can run you on the computer, alright? I just can't go back there by myself.
Okay. I'll go to Boomers in a little bit with my son and my baby man. Well, that's it. Sorry, that.
Trust me, I'm not gonna fuck you over for some bullshit.
For no bullshit. Okay. That's
For Bravo 5, pocket 1087, 1011 hour.
Stand by with him. You slept on shit or something, dude? You smell 57, right? What's your social? You don't got no social?
I don't know my social.
What's your first name?
Damien.
Damien? Spell it.
V-A-L.
V-A-M?
I-A-N.
I-N?
I-A-N.
I-A-N. Last name?
Sharmont. C-H-A-R-M-O-N-T. A-N-T.
Alright, you got a Florida ID? Is it in Florida or what state?
I'm born.
Where's your ID from? Your
I
deal?
don't have.
You've never had an ID?
But
Is it from Florida?
Yeah.
Okay. That's my question. What's your birthday?
Just be careful.
They might have zero. If you want a 15M, like told him so. I'm gonna contain him. I just wanted to confirm that he was. Or confirm that first. And then I think because of his juvenile. Hey, look, come here. I'm not gonna arrest you on bullshit. All right. This is just for the being. You're just being detained. Come on, officially. All right. You know your license is no good, but I'm not too worried about that. That's a ticket, right? That's a ticket.
Tell the back one, are you still subject to 19 or on the floor? I'm sorry.
No, I meant to advise. I'm standing by on the CSA's call, and then I'll head over there. He gets flooded. I apologize for you. I'm trying to wrap things up there.
That's right. I'll call back the floor then for you and let them know that, you know, it'll be first available.
It's pretty
And
serious.
then
Keep your head
I'll
low,
just
man.
keep you in status 19.
I appreciate you.
I'll put you in the back seat so nobody sees you.
So, call back one. Switch over to task one.
Only with money on me. I'm gonna leave your cash on here. Hey, come back here and I'll put you in the car. Sit in there, chill. I'm gonna work with you, alright? Just scoot that over. Please don't. Yeah, no weapons in there, right? Nothing stupid. Nothing stupid.
I'm not riding like that. Something, bro. I'm riding on the bullshit.
Alright.
You see, like, even when you check my pocket, you see, I ain't tell, like, I ain't gonna bullshit. I ain't gonna lie.
You got
You know what
no.
I mean? I don't have nothing. But man, even check my, the way you, I ain't gonna know what.
Okay, your boy right here, he's
That's my little
he's like 15. How old is he? 17?
That's my real cousin. I thought I just look. You tell my teeth not well.
Who can you call right now to come pick up your car and drive you guys?
That's my mom's car.
Who can come pick up your mom's car and drive it so you don't go to, so it doesn't get towed? You're on a revoked license, dude. I can't, and he has a suspended license.
I'm gonna put it up. I ain't gonna ride around. I will ride around. All of my mom door I got.
This side thick? That side, yeah, you could just check it again. But I didn't see what it was. I mean, he says he doesn't smoke. I don't see no weed, but you can smell it.
Because the passenger don't feel.
Yeah, okay.
I'll go pick you.
I'm on camera, right?
Front rear.
Front looks clean. These are just chains?
Huh?
There's just chains back there?
Ten
Look,
four, are
I'm
you
not
still
gonna
subject
take you to jail. I know you've been
for,
arrested
injuries
on
or
other
crossfire?
bullshit charges in the past and shit. I'm not on that. So your license is no good. I'm gonna give you a ticket for that. That's what you're gonna get. Just a ticket.
My baby mom at the hotel. She
Okay.
She got like.
We can call her. She'll be here quick.
Yeah.
We'll call her. We'll stand by.
Just still coming in.
We're not even gonna tow the car. I'm not on that bullshit, dude.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, sir. My mom will go crazy, bro. I know you saw videos.
Your homeboy had
That's
weed.
my-
That's where the
that's my
snow is
cousin.
coming from. All right.
That's
my-
the
I'm gonna take the weed. I'm gonna destroy it. He's not gonna get no tickets. Nothing.
I know you saw videos of my mom, bro. She, we were.
I've never seen your mom.
But she be crying and going crazy like.
We're not gonna fuck your day over nobody's day. All right.
Thank you, sir.
You made a mistake. Just, dude, you're on fucking. You got a lot of heat. What the fuck are you driving, dude? You can pay people to drive for you. Stop driving. All right, you're gonna catch a ticket for that. You can probably dismiss that. Whatever you do with tickets, all right. Just that we make contact with you, you're gonna get that ticket.
All right, so
All right.
I could get my phone call clip or something.
Yeah, let me write it up. I'll release her, and then you can call whoever you want.
All right.
I mean, we're gonna get a lot of heat right here, so we're gonna stand by with you.
Okay.
Just give me a second to release
No
you.
further information, and then 911 from 4495 Northwest 42 Karen.
Yeah, I told him I'm gonna release him now. He's gonna call his. Maybe we could start her coming. Somebody call her. Hey, what's the best address for you? That one? I was on my way to Duncan, but
Okay. Do your thing.
what's up?
That's it.
You know?
I can see.
4570, have a code off your 70 truck.
Go that black, I think they said.
Yeah. If it was suspended, I'd help him, but it's revoked, so I'm just gonna give him the citation. You gotta go fix it.
I'm in there, okay.
No, I'm gonna do it.
4504 to 1048, reroute to the 49.
Yeah.
You got a nicer car than you got here.
No, this is my car here.
What?
They said I'm gonna keep it.
Huh.
They'll just restripe it or something like that.
Yes, it said it.
Levine up there said that. Oh. This lady's calling, complaining about me. This dispatcher?
I would say I'm not surprised. I think it was her because I can't know the difference. You haven't even. I'm gonna be honest with you. You haven't even done anything today to get complained on. Like I normally some
At least one tone.
sometimes it's hard to mic for you, but today you actually haven't done anything.
Where'd you put the bud? Right there? Okay. I'm gonna put your bud for a distraction, alright, dude? You got the
Fingerprinting?
Yeah, you can release him. Let's not handcuff. Hey, start getting his phones and shit in there.
Calling back
And
in
start,
the
you know,
16
baby
seekers
mama's
again
number.
for the same 1020 that we just
Look.
quoted. They canceled it because they said
I'm
the
gonna
family was
handcuff
not
him
home,
too.
and then now they
So,
reopened it again.
you guys figure that out.
I'm
We're not
gonna
trying to
hold it,
fuck him
and
over.
then
You just
there is
can't
911
drive
that
with that
came
license.
in at 10:04 hours.
You're good.
On
You're good to go
401,
back in
I'm
there.
gonna close. There was no additional that came in. That's any better.
Hey, we can have him come out so he can do this with you. If he wants to come out. Back. Wow. The little dish for you.
Scroll on.
Oh.
Well, I appreciate you.
Yeah, no sweat, bro.
Man, how you breathe 34? I thought you about to go crazy on me, no. But,
Oh, I'll talk to you right now, right? I can't talk too much.
How about
You need help out or what?
probably.
You want to put something over your head while you do this? I'm gonna take off your handcuffs. Actually, go put a sweatshirt over your head or something, and you go sign this. I don't really care.
Go sign him up there.
See? You can do it in your car. Sit in your car. Alright, look. This is a driving while suspended or revoked with knowledge, right? So you got to go to court for it. They're gonna give you a court date to that address that you gave me at some time. Whenever you get the court notice, just go to it, all right? And then it should just whatever you have planned that you're probably working already on your license. Just say you're still on it. Whatever your defense is, you do that, all right? That shouldn't fuck you over federally. Your probation's federal, so I don't have to violate you.
I'm talking about with the license shit, cause it was like I told them man, this shit, they had the whole course in.
You gotta get that fixed, bro.
Had to pay this shit, and then they was gonna reinstate it. Now they might see this and not even want to reinstate it.
Nah, bro, you should be fine. And if I go to court, I'll try to help you out there, dude.
I ain't gonna. I need that.
Put your thumbprint right here.
It ain't got no black on it though.
No, put your thumb right there. Hold it tight, and then just put it there. It doesn't matter.
That's it.
Yeah, and then you just gotta sign for me.
Yeah.
Is your?
Yeah.
Just sign right here where it says delivered. Just sign right there.
So Bravo 3, attention, 12 Bravo 2, can you copy on the 13th?
Yeah, that's fine.
But the ticket ain't going to my mom though. It ain't gonna mess with her tag.
No. Nothing on the car. I'm not even giving you a ticket. You got pulled over for this, bro. I get you're blacked out.
Okay,
that's why I pulled you over.
Okay, I appreciate it. Now it's gonna kind of like, it ain't gonna make it look like I was doing something crazy.
No, you weren't doing nothing. You got pulled over for your phone windshield tape.
Okay.
And then make contact with you. You have no license. Kind of give me no.
You could kind of try to.
I don't know what you're gonna do, but you should.
She said it was possibly vacant, but
so you're gonna stand by while somebody gets your car, right?
Oh, I ain't saying no.
Proceeding at 2108 12 vehicle at 56 going northeast 57 quarter. Time relay overnight, versatile mango or charges.
So we're gonna ride out, alright? So I'm gonna advise you don't drive the car. Don't move it from here.
Cause they right around the corner anyway.
Alright. They're around the corner?
No, I'm telling you, they around the corner, Mo back up, around the corner, I ain't fucking off. Okay.
Well, just don't drive the car. Alright, you know you can't drive the car. If you drive the car, you're on your